Watch out for this. Hey, them for know watching up. Busy Signal here is truly saying greetings to Kenya. You know the thing set, this is Busy Signal here. I know the thing set up straight up. Yeah, I'm coming over to Kenya for the biggest reggae carnival in Kenya's history on Saturday the 30th of August. You know the thing set, the venue is the Afraha Stadium, Nakuru town, Kenya, courtesy of Hero Events. Watch them, you know the thing set up. Girls, you're all I need, and I'm always missing you, miss you. Ate, come here. I born as a bedroom bully for the gal picking it, gal good. Hey, Kenya them for say the turf president representing the resident here, courtesy of Hero Events, Afraha Stadium, you know the thing go, Nakuru town. Yes, I saw the thing said Kenya, 2014 August 30th. Peace.